Good morning, students of class 7. Today we are starting chapter first integer. As you know, chapter second decimal fraction we have already done. Now let start chapter first of its exercise 1.1. The first question is, following number line show the temperature in degree centigrade at different places at particular day. लासुस्पति, श्रीनगर, शिमला, ऊटी, बेंगलुरु, यानी all are different temperatures. Then then answers of following parts A, B, C and D. First part, observe this number line and write the temperature at the place marked on it. So all numbers are already all numbers are already in the books. You write on your notebook. Then B part, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above? Now first part, the temperature of the places marked on it. लासुस्पति -8 because this is value this. श्रीनगर -2, शिमला 5, ऊटी 14, बेंगलुरु 22 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. Temperature of all cities marks on the diagram. B part, the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places. Then see above. In first part, hottest temperature is 22 of Bengaluru and coldest temperature is -8 लासुस्पति. That difference 22 degree centigrade minus in a bracket -8 degree centigrade. That is 22 minus plus 22 plus 8, 30 degree centigrade. Now C part, the temperature difference below लासुस्पति and Srinagar. Then C above, again C above, temperature of लासुस्पति -8 and Srinagar -2. Then difference -2 minus in bracket -8 degree centigrade. That is minus plus, that is 6 degree centigrade. Now last part. Now last part is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. If we take together both temperature, then see above, temperature of Srinagar -2 and Shimla 5 degree centigrade. Then -2 plus 5 is equal to 3 degree centigrade. So together temperature is less than the temperature of Shimla, because temperature of Shimla is 5 and it is 3, therefore it is less. And similarly together temperature is greater than temperature of Srinagar, because temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree centigrade and combined temperature is 3 degree centigrade. Now starting question number 2. Question number 2 is, in a quiz positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for the incorrect answer. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was the total at the end? Now see on the notebook. 5 successive scores were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, which are already given in the books. They have a total score adding all these scores. 25 plus -5 plus in bracket -10 plus 15 plus 10. Firstly, we add positive marks. 25 plus 15 plus 10. It is 50. And two scores are negative. -5 and -10 is equal to -15 is equal to 35. Now question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees centigrade on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? Then see at the question. Temperature of Srinagar is -5 on Monday. Then it dropped. Dropped means temperature is decreased per day. Then solution of this question. Temperature on Monday at Srinagar is -5 degrees centigrade. It drops by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. Then temperature on Tuesday, -5, the temperature on Monday, and Tuesday is dropped. Then -5 -2, that is -7 degree centigrade. On Wednesday, the temperature rose 4 degree centigrade. Then temperature of Wednesday 4 degree centigrade -7 degree centigrade. It is the temperature of Tuesday. Therefore 4 minus 7 is equal to -3. Similarly we can do question number 4 and 5. Now question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A. On the book, this point A, this point B, this position east, this position west. 20 km. Then from B, she moved 30 km towards west in the left. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance travelled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Now solution of this question. Initial position A. If Rita goes to the east 20 km, its position is B. Again he walked to the west 30 km. Let its position is C. When Rita go to west, its position B to C 30 km. Now distance towards east from A to B 20 km. From B, she moved 30 km towards west along same road. So distance represented towards west by negative integer, because see diagram, east 20 km and in reverse to west negative. So first 20 km and after 10 km other. So final position from A is equal to -30 plus 20 equal to -10 km. Now question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. You know magic square? Magic square is a square which all sides are equal, all rows are column, all rows are equal, all columns are equal, and also diagonals are equal. If diagonals are not equal, then square be a parallelogram. Now see first part. Horizontal is called row, vertical is called column. Then first row numbers 5, -1, -4. That is sum along first row is equal to 5 plus -1 plus in bracket -4. That is 0. Similarly, sum along second row 0. Sum along third row 0. Now start columns. Sum along its first column 5, -5 and 0. That is 0. Sum along second column 0, third column 0. Now diagonals. 5 plus -2 plus -3 is equal to 0. And sum along second diagonal 5, -2, -3. That is -6. Both are not equal. Since sum of each row is equal to sum of each column, because all are 0. But sum of first diagonal is not equal to sum of second diagonal. So it is not a magic square. Now let question number 8. Verify A minus in bracket minus B is equal to A plus B. Values of A and B are given in the questions. Then LHS is equal to A in bracket A minus B 21 minus in bracket minus 18 is equal to 39. And RHS is equal to A plus B. So 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. That is proved. LHS is equal to RHS. Similarly, second, third and fourth part do yourself. You can do yourselves. Now question number 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the statement true. 5 statements are given. So firstly we solved LHS and RHS. Then we see which numbers is greater or less or equal. First part of this -8 plus -4 -8 -4. Now LHS -8 plus in bracket -4. We know plus into minus is equal to minus. Then -8 -4 is equal to -12. And RHS -8 minus in bracket -4. -8 plus 4 is equal to -4. Since -12 is less than -4, so LHS less than RHS. Similarly, we can solve its another part. So now your exercise 1.1 is complete. Thank you.